Have you ever sat in front of your blank canvas, wanting to illustrate an idea that you have in mind, but you just don't know exactly how or where to start? Do you want your characters to be expressive and full of emotion? I'll show you exactly how in my course, Digital Art for Beginners. Hi everyone, my name is Laia and I'm a freelance illustrator from Spain, Barcelona, although most of you may know me as Laia Lopez on Instagram and Twitter. I know how hard it is to struggle to come up with a color palette or maybe the perfect composition for the idea that you want to illustrate. Or when you're drawing a character, how to draw their clothing and make it look appealing. All these are things that I still struggle with, but I do have some tips and tricks that I am willing to share with all of you in this course. This course was designed for people who have a little bit of knowledge on digital art and for people who want to get more comfortable with making their ideas come to life. I'll cover topics such as how to draw different expressions, body proportions, how to draw poses with dynamism, how to draw clothes and hairstyles, and I'll also show you the entire process that I follow when I'm working on a full colored illustration. For each lesson, I'll share my techniques and some advice that I've gathered through all these years, which I think can be helpful to all of you when creating your own characters and your own illustrations. This course contains over 2 hours of content where I will walk you through all of the things that I've mentioned before. Each lesson contains exercises for you to practice and apply what you've learned. I really can't wait to show you how I work, and I truly can hope I can help you improve your art skills and get better at doing what you love. See you all in the course! Bye!